Hello students, again we are back with our online class, computer online class. So students, we was in your chapter number 9 and the name of the chapter was Drawing Tools in Flash CS3. I think so everyone has taken the book in front of you, placed the book in front of you. So students, in my last class I have explained you about oval primitive tool and how we can draw polygon and stars, is not it? As well as I have explained you about drawing with the pencil tool, where we have got the options. In pencil tool we have got the options as your straighten, smooth and ink. Yes or no? So today I will explain you another topic of the same chapter, that is your painting with the brush tool. Okay. So here firstly you need to know what is the main function of your brush tool. The brush tool is used to paint with brush-like strokes. It is similar to the pencil tool as both can be used to create shapes. The difference between these tools is that the brush tool is used to paint fills, whereas the pencil tool is used to draw strokes. The brush tool can also be used to create special effects such as calligraphic effects. You can also change the brush shape and size. So here, what is the main function of your brush tool, students? It is used to paint. Okay, it is used to paint the object. It is used to paint the object. As well as in the brush tool, we can also change our brush shape and size. Okay, you can say shape and size. When you are talking about shape and size, we can say about the thickness. Okay, we can say about the thickness of your brush. Then again, if you see about the difference between the pencil tool and your brush tool, we will get one difference. The difference is that in brush tool is specially used for painting your fills. Okay, painting your fills. Fills means what, students? The inside area of an object. Okay, this brush tool is specially used for painting the area of an object. Okay, whereas in pencil tool, it is used to draw the strokes. Strokes, it means what? The outline of your object. So here students, you have got the difference between brush tool and pencil tool. Brush tool is specially used for painting of a fields. Okay, that is your inside area of an object. And this one, pencil tool, it is specially used for the strokes, that is your boundary of an or outline of an object or the drawing. Clear? Then students, the steps to paint using this tool are, so here we will get 4 steps. Select the brush tool. So firstly we are going to select the brush tool. Then step 2, select the fill color from the property inspector. Then from the property inspector we are going to select the color. Color means what? The color that which you want to place inside the area of your drawing. Clear this much? Then you will move to the step 3. Click the brush modifier in the tool panel and select a painting mode. You can also select the desired brush shape and size. Here for brush shape and size you will find in figure 9.16. Figure 9.16. First you see there, in step 3 we are going to click to the brush mode modifier in the tool panel. Okay, in the tool panel you will get brush mode modifier. Then we will select the shape and size of a brush. You see in figure 9.16, have you seen? See in number A where you will find brush shape options. Have you seen there are different options of your brush shape? See here, brush shape options. Have you seen in number A? These are the different brush shape options. Then you see number B, brush size options. This is brush size options, having different lengths. Okay, having different measurements. Then number C, you see brush mode modifier. How many brush mode modifiers are here? Here you will get 5 brush mode modifier. One is your paint normal, second one is paint file, third one is paint behind, fourth one is paint selection, and fifth one, that is the last one, is your paint inside. Then again students, you will get here number D, using the brush tool. Using the brush tool, you will get here paint normal, paint fills, paint behind, paint selection, paint inside, means how you want to paint your object according to your choice. Clear students this much? Then you see in step 4, drag the mouse pointer on the stage to apply a brush stroke. Then what you are going to do? We are going to drag our mouse pointer. Okay, you will hand your mouse, okay, and drag it out to apply the brush stroke. Okay, which particular brush stroke you want? Means you want paint normal, paint fill, paint behind, which particular option you require. So students, these are the 4 steps for using your brush tool. How we can use your brush tool. Clear students? Then students, you will go to the next one, next topic, that is your paint bucket tool. Paint bucket tool, page number 147, paint bucket tool. See here the main function of paint bucket tool. This tool is used to fill enclosed area with solid colors and gradients. You can also fill empty areas and change the color of already painted areas using the paint bucket tool. This tool also fills the area that are not entirely closed. The tool provides modifiers that allows you to close gaps. So, the main function of your paint bucket tool is used to fill enclosed area with solid colors and gradients. Means the main function of paint bucket tool is used, or you can say is for filling the colors inside your object. It is used to fill colors inside the area of an object. Clear? Now here you will get some steps how we can use your paint bucket tool. So how many steps you have got here students? You have got here 4 steps. So look at step 1. Select the paint bucket tool. So firstly we are going to select the paint bucket tool. Then step 2, select the fill color in the property inspector. So in step 2 we are going to fill the color from the property inspector. Step 3, click the drop down menu arrow of the gap size modifier and choose a gap size option to close the gap in the shape. So how much gap you require for your object, how much space you require for your particular object, you have to mention the size there. Okay. Then you see here in step 4. See in step 4. Click inside the shape to fill it with color. Then we have to, if you want to fill the color, not if, you have to fill color inside. For that one, you will get color options. What particular color you want, you select it out. Turn to your page number 148. 148. In there you see figure 9.17. Figure 9.17. Everyone has seen the figure 9.17? See here there are 2 rectangles. Okay. And in between the 2 rectangles there is a gap. Yes or no? There is a gap. And I think so everyone has seen the colors here. One is your green, another is your purple. That is here colors are filled. Okay, one green is filled, one green color is filled and another purple is filled. Fill is also used here, stroke is also used here. Stroke is used in what color? Stroke is used in red color. Clear? I think so, no doubt here, and there is a gap. There is a gap between your both the rectangles. I think so, no doubt regarding this one. You have to remind one thing. Paint bucket tool, you can say the main function of paint bucket tool is specially used for filling colors. Okay, it is used for filling colors in the enclosed object. Enclosed means where all the 4 or 3 or whatever or any 5 sides are fully closed. Okay, the object is closed from all the sides and you have to fill the color. Color means area. Okay, you have to fill the color in that particular area of the object. This is the main function of your paint bucket tool. Clear? And this one. And brush tool, I have said you before, brush tool, what is the main function of brush tool? It is used for painting. Okay, it is used for painting of an object by using different strokes. We can also change the thickness, shape and size of the brush. Yes or no? I have also said you about the names of the brush mode modifiers, important. Paint normal, paint file, paint behind, paint selection and paint inside. Clear, students? No doubt regarding this? So students, today I have explained you about paint with brush tool and paint bucket tool. Okay. In my next class, I will explain you about filling shapes with gradient tool. Means I will explain you about gradient tool and how we can create a new gradient to an object. Okay. I will explain you these 2 topics in my next class. So students, now I am winding up my class here. Thank you to all and have a nice day ahead.